so glad that you are here. Today I'm going to do a couple of quick videos on some developmental milestones that are really exciting but can also inhibit sleep. So what do we do about that? So the first one is rolling. At about 4 months, your little one is probably starting to roll over from front to back to front, and that's a great thing. But in the middle of the night, they can sometimes roll themselves over and not realize that they're the ones doing the rolling. So they wake up in the middle of the night and they're like, oh my goodness, someone just rolled me. Mom, I need you. Mom, come get me. So what we have to do to help with that is help them learn what it feels like to be rolled, so that when they roll themselves over in the middle of the night, but they think someone else is rolling them, they can actually just think, okay, that's fine. That's something that happens. No big deal. Go back to sleep, letting you get more nighttime sleep. So how do we do that? Well, I am a boy mom through and through. There are no baby dolls in this house, so I have trusty Batman to help me out. So lay a blanket just on the ground, have your baby that Batman is showing us, and just 3 times, a few times a day, just lay them down and gently roll. And so again, you're just laying them down and you're gently rolling them over. And with Batman, it looks a lot more, he kind of just falls over. But your baby will think it's so fun, they'll be laughing, and it's just a really fun game that you can play together and also help them learn what it feels like to have that uncontrolled roll, so that when they wake up in the middle of the night, they're not worried and they go right back to sleep. So anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to have another one on how to help them stand up and sit back down.